Hey guys, what are we doing today?
Oh no, that's not the question. That was the wrong question. Dory never said that. I love Dory.
You have to educate. What are we doing? I'm filming.
Going to the park. Going somewhere. Going to the park? Yeah.
These memes.
It was actually a park already. Like I know the playground. Well, I don't think.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take pictures of children.
I want to take a nice photo. Wait.
I'm filming while you like sort out the nice photo because it's funny.
We have to go like. No, we have to look like this. Look. I have a friend.
Okay, wait. These nerds are my favorite nerds. Ali and Aaron and Alex can fuck off. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Why did I do this?
Daredevil!
Ooh, hardcore! Please do it again, I missed it. I might not even put this in PMS, I might make this like a vlog in itself. We'll just use some of the footage and be like, hey, this ended up as its own thing.
I wouldn't do that.
I love these memes.
Oh, I'm deaf.
Dank memes!
Okay.
Be careful of the roots. Where are we going? Kelly, you're a spoiled sport. Hey Deece, what did you find?
My sanity.
In the woods.
Oh, a stick.
I lost my sanity.
I lost my virginity.
Did you stick the stick inside you?
Let's go! Yeah, but you like lettuce.
Who the fuck likes lettuce?
I love lettuce though.
Yeah, but like iceberg lettuce tastes like water.
You know what? You taste like water.
Yeah, because I'm like 90% water.
So is lettuce.
I mean, there's like human tastes like chicken or something. Or pork.
I have no idea.
Someone
Ask your local cannibal.
Ugh! Did that.
No, it didn't.
And that was the death of Kelly Lou. I don't know where I'm going, but I don't think I'm coming home. And I swear I'll check in tomorrow if I don't end up dead in a ditch in the forest somewhere.
Yay!
Because this is the path to ruin. And we started like way back that way, but we got lost. I realized that I'm not in this a lot. Hello, how's it going? I am filming myself in a forest somewhere.
I know, but I don't want to get stung. Oh yeah, I realize I'm wearing clothes.
Well, fuck you too then.
No, but
Okay, just let it go, or like.
This thing. Arm. This arm.
But yes, hello from
The other side.
a park where we're in the middle of the tree part. But it's like there's like a halfly written half. Oh, are we at the end?
Let's go.
Okay, there's more spiky things. Give me a second. I'm wearing a crop top and a skirt, so this is like the worst idea. But it was my idea, so I'm going to follow it through. Spikies.
Oh, rest my legs. Look at me resting my legs. Lips.
I lived.
Your hair blends in with the leaves.
Side to lake beneath the
I have-
color and dancing in the breeze.
I have a poem that I wrote that I wanted to film in here because my hair blends in and it's about my hair. But this is actually a good scouting mission to figure out whether or not I could film it here. I probably could.
Oh, I look cute.
We should film it here.
I'm gonna come at this way because there's light.
I look vaguely disgusted in all the photos.
Are you sitting on something?
Yeah, I had it on my shirt, but it like didn't feel great.
Hello. Hello.
It's okay.
I love you. Love you too.
And this is the path out of the woods. Ow! I walked into nettles.
Yeah, I
Ow.
got it.
Thanks for being here on our nature thingy. Love life.
I ran out and
Be good to yourselves. Hey guys,
Yeah.
do the outro.
What's the outro?
I was like, outro what?
What's my outro, guys?
Comic Sans.
Yeah, but before that, when I'm in person.
Annyeong.
Do you guys really not know what my outro is?
No.
You're fake fans.
What is it? Tell me.
It is, I will see you when I see you, and goodbye. Kelly, don't take my tortillas jokes. Bye.